Hi everyone, it's Umer here. I want to take a moment to thank you for joining me today. I know that if you've clicked on this video, you might be feeling overwhelmed, worried, or maybe even a bit scared due to the effects of black magic. Over the years, I've had the privilege of working with many individuals to help them break free from these negative influences, whether it's black magic, curses, or hexes. And trust me, I understand how distressing it can be, but the good news is that you are not alone, and there is hope. In today's video, I'll be walking you through a powerful step-by-step process to clear black magic effectively. We will cover recognizing the symptoms, preparing for the clearing process, performing the clearing itself, and finally, protecting your energy to prevent future attacks. So stay with me as we go on this journey together, and by the end of it, you'll feel empowered and ready to reclaim your life. First, recognizing the symptoms. The first step in clearing black magic is recognizing the symptoms. Black magic doesn't always show up in obvious ways. It can be subtle, creeping into different areas of your life. You may find yourself suddenly facing unexplained health problems, despite being perfectly healthy before, or experiencing persistent bad luck that just doesn't make sense. Financial struggles may come out of nowhere, or you might start having unexpected relationship issues. It's like everything around you is turning against you without any logical reason. Another common sign is feeling drained or fatigued, as though your energy is constantly being siphoned off. This can be accompanied by recurring nightmares or a lingering sense of fear, anxiety, or negativity that follows you wherever you go. You might even notice unusual patterns, like things breaking down in your home or business for no apparent reason. If you resonate with these symptoms, there's a chance you might be under the influence of some form of negative energy or black magic. Recognizing these signs is crucial, because awareness is the first step toward taking back control. By acknowledging that something is off, we can move forward with the clearing process. Remember, you are stronger than this energy, and we are about to begin a powerful journey of transformation. Preparing for the clearing process. Now that we've identified the symptoms, it's time to prepare for the clearing process. This step is vital because the more grounded and centered you are, the more effective the clearing will be. Start by finding a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. This is your sacred space for the next few minutes, so make it as peaceful and comfortable as possible. Light a white candle to represent purity, light, and protection. White is a powerful color that repels negativity and attracts divine energy. Next, if you have sage, palo santo, or incense, light it to cleanse the space. The smoke from these sacred plants has been used for centuries to clear negative energies and create a pure environment for spiritual work. As you do this, take deep breaths in through your nose, hold for a moment, and then exhale through your mouth. This helps to center your mind and bring you into a state of calmness. Your intention here is crucial. As you inhale, imagine filling your body with positive, protective energy, and as you exhale, release any fear, doubt, or anxiety you may be holding on to. The more focused you are on your intention to clear black magic, the more powerful the process will be. Part 3. Shielding yourself. Now let's create a protective shield around you. This step is essential because it not only prevents any further influence of black magic, but also creates a safe space for you to work within. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. As you do, imagine a bright white light emerging from your heart center, growing and expanding to surround your entire body. This light is your divine protection. Visualize it becoming more vibrant and stronger with each breath, forming a shield that nothing negative can penetrate. Feel this light wrapping around you like a warm, protective cocoon. As you visualize this, say to yourself, I am safe. I am protected. No harm can reach me. By doing this, you are setting a powerful intention that you are now shielded from any negative energy or entities that might be affecting you. This step creates a safe, sacred space where we can now begin the clearing process. Part 4. Clearing the black magic. Now comes the main part, the clearing process itself. There are various tools we can use, such as sage, crystals, and energy healing techniques. In my experience, combining these tools makes for a highly effective clearing. Let's go through them one by one. Using sage. Light the sage bundle, letting it burn for a few seconds before blowing out the flame. As the smoke starts to rise, gently move it around your body, starting from the head and working your way down to your feet. As you do this, visualize the smoke drawing out all negative energies and black magic from your body. Imagine these negative energies dissolving into the smoke and evaporating into thin air. Take your time with this process, ensuring that every part of your body is covered by the cleansing smoke. Using crystals. Now let's use a crystal to help with the clearing. Black tourmaline is known for its ability to absorb and neutralize negative energy. Hold the crystal in your dominant hand, close your eyes, and visualize it drawing out all the negative energy, black magic and hexes from your body. Feel the weight of the negativity being pulled into the crystal, leaving you feeling lighter and more at peace. Take a few moments to connect with the crystal and trust that it is doing its work. Energy healing technique. Now, let's incorporate an energy healing technique to reinforce the clearing. Close your eyes and place both hands over your heart. Take a deep breath and silently say, I release all negative energies, black magic, curses, and hexes affecting me, and I send them back to the universe with love. Repeat this affirmation several times. As you do, focus on the sensations in your body. You may start to feel a shift, a sense of lightness, relaxation, or even warmth spreading through you. This is a sign that the clearing is taking effect and you are releasing the negative influences. Part 5. Sealing and protecting your energy. Once the clearing is complete, it's crucial to seal your energy and protect yourself from future attacks. This is like putting up a no-entry sign for any negative energy. I recommend using essential oils like frankincense or lavender for their protective properties. Anointing yourself with these oils helps to reinforce the shield around you. As you apply the oil, say out loud, I am protected. My energy is sealed and safe from any negativity. Visualize the white light surrounding you once again, but this time, see it solidifying into an impenetrable barrier. Feel a sense of peace and security knowing that you are now shielded from any future harm. Conclusion. And that, my friends, is the step-by-step process for clearing black magic. I understand that this can be an emotional and intense experience, but remember, you are reclaiming your power and restoring harmony to your life. You are stronger than any negative force. If you need personalized assistance or feel that you require a more in-depth clearing, I'm here to help. You can book a session with me through my website, where I offer professional clearing services tailored to your specific needs. I've added the link to my website in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who might need this guidance. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on energy healing and spiritual well-being. Take care, stay protected, and I'll see you in the next video.